little song that originated with an American called Little Jimmy Dickens in 1910. However, I've completely rewritten it apart from a couple of chorus lines, and it's called May the Bird of Paradise Fly Up Your Nose. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. May an elephant caress you with his toes. May your dog give fleas to everyone he knows. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. As I was driving round the car park yesterday, just looking for a place where I could stay, I had spied a vacant spot, but was beaten by some clot, and I spoke these words as I went on my way. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. May an elephant caress you with his toes. May your dog give fleas to everyone he knows. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. I was sitting in the theatre the other night, and I thought the seat I'd bought exactly right, till this lady large and fat wouldn't take off her big hat, and I screamed these words at her with all my might. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. May an elephant caress you with his toes. May your dog give fleas to everyone he knows. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. I was talking to a pretty girl at a dance, looking forward to an evening of romance, till this Jaguar driving toff, he came in and waltzed her off, and I realised too late I'd missed me chance. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. May an elephant caress you with his toes. May your dog give fleas to everyone he knows. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. Driving slowly through Woodend the other day, for I know the limit there is 50k. Got a ticket from a cop for 3k over the top, and these were the only words that I could say. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. May an elephant caress you with his toes. May your dog give fleas to everyone he knows. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. Right up your nose.